What's up, everyone? In this video, I want to show you all how I day trade futures, specifically ES and NQ. Let's get right into this. So as you can see, I have ticker SPY, SPY pulled up. I trade ES based off SPY levels, and I trade ES based off SPX levels. For this example, we're going to look at this supply zone. I like hourly supply to day trade, occasionally 4 hour, but you can clearly see we come up rejected, rejected. I actually had this trade planned out yesterday for my weekly watch list, but I was looking more for a break above retest. That being said, supply is supply until it isn't, right? So we came up, hit it. Now let's just get a little bit closer look here. I traded QQQ today, but this is a good setup as well. We'll take a look at QQQ after this. So what I'm looking for after market opens, you can see we come up into zone pre-market, so back off. Came back up, retested it after market open. So I'm not looking to enter short here. I'm looking to enter short once we push back out, right? Close below. So my entry would have been here, stop would have been here. I would have entered ES shorts to play the move back down, ideally to that low of day, which would have been right here. As always, be sure you're trimming on the way down. Anytime you can catch a nice $1.50 move on SPY, just be sure you're trimming. You probably think about that's only a $1, a dollar move on SPY, but in the options world, or if you're trading ES based off these levels, that's a nice return on your money. So very simple, but I try to stick to, like I said, this is the time you take notes. This is just my strategy. Let me know what you think. If you have any tips, drop them in the comments. I'm always open to, check out what you're seeing, how you're trading, but this has been working well for me. So again, we want to close below. I don't like taking trades inside the zones. I want to see us come back out of it. Price action confirming this nice bearish candle you see here. I like the hourly time frame when I'm choosing my day trading levels. Yes, I will use whichever time frame is relevant for me to identify my levels, but the hourly is my go-to. And once I'm trading, I'm watching the 5-minute and the 15-minute typically. You use smaller time frames, that's okay. It's completely up to you. Just keep in mind you can get faked out a little bit more on them lower time frames. Be sure you stick around for QQQ. This is the actual trade I took. I can actually walk you through it a little better. But before we go into QQQ, if you want to trade futures, you don't have the capital, or if you don't want to risk your capital, check out Apex in my description. Use code Grizzly. They have funded accounts. You can trade through them. Not much risk at all. Cheap to try. If you use code Grizzly, you get a nice discount. So just check that out. But yeah, let's go into QQQ. So this was the actual trade I took today. Remember, if you're trading QQQ, you can trade NQ futures, right? Or MNQ if you want a little less risk. For me, I like to trade MNQ better just because NQ can get away from you quickly. And if you're trading on the funded accounts like I talked about before, it can really mess up your day if it goes against you. So I try to stick with MNQ if I'm trading on the funded accounts. So we came up, kind of held this zone. This candle here caught my interest. I said, okay, we could see a possible reversal here, but we hadn't confirmed a trade. No confirmation equals no trade. I don't care, how anxious you are. Do not force the trade. Patience is key. So finally we come down, we had a close. My entry was right here. Got in puts, QQQ puts and MNQ shorts. And I caught this beautiful move down here. As you can see, it's still going. The only problem is after I trim the first time, I move my stop loss at entry. Then at the second trim, I move it into profits. So when it came back up here, it did trigger my stop, but over a dollar move on QQQ. Paid the team really well. Team Bull, we caught this on voice. Just a really nice start to the week. Remember, one good trade can make your week, okay? One good trade is all you need in a day. I don't understand how people taking 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 trades is profitable. I don't think I could ever do that. I feel like I would, blow accounts trading like that. But anyways, that's basically it for this video. I'm going to make more to this, kind of break it up. We're going to talk about catching bounces as well and a different type of strategy I use to trade futures as well. So if you're interested in futures, give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments, and I'll continue making these. Futures is, to me, I like trading options as well, but futures to me is a little easier to manage than options because you don't have to worry about the Greeks. That being said, I love trading options. I probably never stop. But, trading futures is kind of like trading shares. It's like, you don't have to worry about the Greeks. You don't have to worry about time decay messing with you and all that stuff. Again, if you have any questions, be sure to reach out to me. Appreciate you all for watching, and I will see you next time.